red line on my head from my helmet. We're gonna have a wander around, like a hike, but actually the road isn't really functional. So we're gonna go up like a dirt road to the side here. But it's pretty beautiful here. Nice mountains, greenery, nice stream. Which is actually, interestingly, the water is blue, so it's not brown like the rest of the water in Da Nang at the moment. But yeah, I think we're gonna have a little drive up this side here. See how we do. I still want to look.
Alright.
So yeah, there's another problem. The road, the road we've now taken goes onto a lake and then goes over here. So I don't think it's passable. What do you think? Carry the bikes across the water? It's so beautiful there.
Do it.
It's beautiful there. You going for a swim?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
We're more like that than Americans.
So they're like double pussy.
Exactly, yeah.
My wife's...
Alright guys, get ready to see my enormous muscles.
I think you say knob.
Huh?
I think you say enormous knob. Penis. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful here. Very, very clear water. And then the trail is just here. And the wife is just here. And AJ's getting in.
That's cold water.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Just what I thought. Yeah. So it looks like it might be too deep to cross. Think it's too deep? Let's keep going. What's he going so far that way?
See?
Oh, there's tiny fish.
I hate that feeling though.
There's a little bit of skin on it. It's basically swimming now. It's just turning into swimming now.